Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with setting up a new project in Jira or you're just getting started, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to create a brand new Jira project step by step using the latest interface. Whether you're a developer, project manager, or just exploring Jira, by the end of this video, you'll have your first project fully ready to go. Let's dive right in. First, from your Jira dashboard, head over to the top left corner and click on your work. This is your main hub where you can manage projects, tasks, and team activities. Now, click Create Project. You'll see a variety of templates. Jira offers options like software development, service management, work management, and product management. For this guide, we'll go with software development as it's ideal for agile teams. Next, it's time to choose your workflow template. Here, Jira gives you several options, but if you're managing sprints, go with Scrum. Click Use Templates to apply it. This will structure your board with sprints, backlogs, and stories automatically. Now, Jira will ask for your project management style. Select Team Managed. This option is perfect for smaller or flexible teams since it gives you full control without needing an admin for every change. Once that's done, give your project a name. Try to pick something simple but descriptive. For example, Website Redesign 2025 or Mobile App Dev Sprint. Next, set your access level. You can choose private, limited, or open, depending on who you want to collaborate with. If it's an internal project, private is usually the best choice. Finally, enter your project key. This is a short code Jira uses for your tasks like WEB or APP. Click Next, and boom, your new Jira project is created. And that's it. Your brand new Jira project is ready to roll. You can now start adding issues, assigning tasks, and managing sprints instantly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more productivity and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.